Girls, 2026 hairstyles are next level. If you want to look cute, trendy, and effortlessly put together, then stay with me. Because these 15 hairstyles will literally change your whole vibe. So let's get started. 1. Part your hair and leave a few front strands. Make a top-back ponytail, split it into 2, twist the sections into a bun, and pin it. Then pull a few soft layers from the front, pin them at the back, and let some face framing pieces fall naturally. 2. Leave a few front strands and create a French braid on one side, then braid it normally and loosen it. Behind it, make a second braid, cross the 2 layers, and loosen them as well. Repeat the same on the other side. Then take both braids to the back and secure them with a cute bow. 3. Leave a few strands in the front. From both sides, make French braids and bring them to the back. Secure them into a low ponytail under the back hair. Then gently pull a few strands from the back to the front for a soft, messy look. Using a hair pick, bring small sections from both sides to the front, then tie the middle section into a ponytail with a ribbon band, and finally secure the remaining hair at the back and shape it into a cute bow. Take small sections of hair from both sides and bring them forward. Gather the middle section, lift it slightly, and secure it with a claw clip. Then adjust the remaining hair to create a soft, cute finish. Strands of hair, just a little, not too much, then braid them on both sides and tie them into a back ponytail. The result is a cute, curly look. She takes small sections of hair from the front and styles them, then repeats the same on the other side. Both front sections are pulled to the back and secured with a rubber band, leaving the front slightly fanned out. Finally, all the back hair is tied, and the front sections are attached to the back hair for a neat, cute finish. To achieve this cute look, create a half-up ponytail and gently flip it through itself, then repeat with side sections for a beautiful woven effect. Finish with a delicate floral clip at the center for a sweet, princess-style finish that's both elegant and easy. Tie a small section of hair with an elastic, flip the ponytail through itself, and pull it for volume. Finally, pin your clip over the elastic to hide it and keep the hair lifted and full for cute look. To create this look, split your hair into 2 horizontal sections and tie the top half into a small ponytail. Then, pull the bottom section up and around the first one, securing it all together to create instant volume and height. Tie 2 small side sections at the back, then loop your remaining hair through the gap. Divide the rest into 2 parts, cross them over, and tuck the ends into the twist to form the bun. Secure with pins for a polished finish. Gather your hair into a low ponytail and pull it halfway through a gap above the elastic to create a loop. Fold the rest of the hair upward and lock everything in place with a large claw clip. To recreate this, simply braid a small section of hair from each side of your head, pull them toward the back, and secure them together with a small elastic. Divide hair into 2 high pigtail loops, split them to form wings, and wrap a center strand over the middle to create the knot. Secure the base with bobby pins and gently tug the loops to add volume for a finished bow look. To achieve this look, tie your hair into 2 stacked ponytails and flip the top one inward to create a small gap. Pull the bottom ponytail through that opening so the top layer hides the elastics, creating the illusion of much longer, thicker hair. That's it. Which one is your favorite? Tell me the comments.